Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about salt and pepper shakers. Anyways, I had originally used this salt and pepper shaker made by Coleman in my portable kit, and as you can see, it's a little large, but it does fit just perfectly inside the kit, and because it lays flat and its height wasn't so bad, so it fit in there perfect, and it held a lot of salt and a lot of pepper. But I was perusing Amazon and I come across this little itty bitty 4-spice shaker. Comes on a keychain, which you can easily remove if you wanted to, and it's refillable, and it not only has salt and pepper, but it also has paprika and curry, and you could probably put whatever other spices that you wanted to put in there in addition to your salt and pepper. I pasted this on Reddit to get some opinions, and some people said, oh, well, that's not a lot of stuff. But I've found that if you just give one shake, it puts enough for one meal, and you know, it still holds quite a lot. So it's good enough, say, for, I would say, up to a week of heavy use. You know, or if you were doing a 3-day hike or something. But they're cheap, and they're refillable, and it's a lot smaller and fits in my kit, you know, much better. Not to mention that it weighs a lot less without the clip than this does, so it cuts my weight slightly. And as they say, you know, the grams equal ounces, ounces equal pounds, and the less that you have you're carrying, the better off you are. Anyways, just wanted to let you guys know. I'll leave a link to this shaker in the description, so if you want to try to get one, you can. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.